Good morning, children. Today I am going to tell you about the world of plants. The world of plants. How do plants grow? What are the types of plants? That all we are going to learn. Before going to learn about the plants, the world of plants, we have plants are of two different types. Kinds of plants. We have land plants and water plants. Land plants. Okay, first of all, we will learn about land plants. What are the types of land plants? We have big plants and small plants now. Big plants and small plants. Big plants are called trees. Plants are called trees. Whereas small plants we divide into herbs and shrubs. Big plants, you can tell the big plants example. Mango plant, banyan tree, mango tree, banyan tree, coconut tree. Are the examples you can say for big trees. When coming from plants, small plants, we have herbs and shrubs. Herbs and shrubs, Nana. Herbs are nothing but your leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables which is having soft stems, weak stems, soft stems like spinach, tulasi, coriander. See, I will show you the coriander one. Coriander. So I grown in my home itself. Coriander, very weak. You also have. These are herbs. Herbs which have soft stems. Herbs which have soft stems. Okay. Then coming to your shrubs. Shrubs are nothing but which have woody stems. Shrubs will have woody stems. Woody stems for hibiscus, rose, jasmine are some of the examples of shrubs which have little bit of strong. They are not soft. They are a little bit of strong when compared to herbs. Okay. And we also have plants which are in water. Water plants are the plants which grow in water like lotus and water lily. Water lily also just looks like lotus only, but lotus and water lily are the examples of plants which grow in water. Now see, I have grown, see, this is the plants I have grown. See, you can see the seeds. Since we get plant from most of the plants we get from seeds. Some are from stem cutting, but most of the plants we get from seeds now. I have taken gram seeds and I have sown the seeds in the soil. After 4-5 days I got like this. You also can try at your homes, Nana. Okay? Take gram seeds or any seeds like menthi seeds or any red gram or green gram seeds. You can sow it in the soil, and after some days you can see how the plants are coming out of the seeds. This is how I got. This is for 1 week. And whatever coriander I have shown you, this coriander it is for 15 days. It has taken 15 days to grow. So one plant, one seeds will take a lot of time. Some seeds will take very little time to grow, Nana. Seeds, most of the plants will get from seeds only. Mango, we have 1 seed. Whereas coming to papaya and pomegranate, we have many seeds. Okay, Nana? Now, now let us learn what are the uses of the plants. Uses of plants. From plants we get food. We get fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, whatever not. All the food, maximum of the food we get from plants. Leafy vegetables, fruits, all we get from plants. And also we have the plants give shelter to animals and birds. Birds make their nest on trees. Squirrels live in trees. Okay, Nana? And so many animals will get shelter under the trees. Monkeys live on trees. Now, and also, what are the useful things we are getting? We will make our furnitures like table, chair, sofa, doors, and all the furnitures also we will make. And we also get gum and paper, tea, coffee also from plants only. Okay, children? These are the important things that we are going to get from plants. And also plants purifies our earth. How it will purify? Do you know? It purifies the air. It purifies the air in our atmosphere. Whatever the smoke, poisonous things are present in our air will be removed by the plants. That is why we have to take more care about our plants. We should not cut trees. First thing, how to take care of our plants? We should not cut the trees. If at all it is necessary to cut the trees, you need to plant 2 trees. If you cut 1 tree, you need to plant 2 trees. Okay, Nana? Now, water them regularly. Water them. You take care of them regularly. Give water. Water and sunlight are the more important things to grow a plant. Water them regularly and should not cut the trees. If at all you want to cut the trees, you cut. You have to plant 2 more plants. Plants grow into trees. That's why I'm saying to plant 2 more plants if you cut 1 tree. And take a oath that on your birthday you are going to plant at least 1 tree or 1 plant. Okay, children? And plant more trees. Nowadays we are getting, see how we are suffering due to corona and all. This is all because of our environmental changes that we are doing by ourselves. We're using more plastic and cutting down of trees only. We are suffering a lot. To avoid this, we need to plant more and more plants so that our globe will be, means our earth will be survived. Plants give so much of energy to the earth, and it purifies the air in our atmosphere. It gives us oxygen. We are living because of oxygen. The oxygen where we are getting? We are getting it from the plants. So we need to take care of plants. How we can take care of plants? By giving regular water to them, and plant more and more plants, and don't cut the trees. Okay, children? Thank you.